cut out your bunting triangles. I use a Perspex template because I cut out a lot of bunting. Place your triangles right sides together and sew along each long side. I tend to sew along one long edge, do all those in one go, and then do the other long edge separately. Trim away any excess fabric from the point of each triangle. Then turn your triangles round the right way. Here I'm choosing a bobbin and a thread that will match the pink bias binding. Then I fold over and stitch around about 12 inches of the bias binding so that it can be tied up wherever I'd like to display the bunting. Now I'm adding each triangle to the folded over piece of bias binding, and I leave a small gap in between each of the triangles. Once I've finished sewing the bunting, I tend to give it a really good press because I like the finish. And then once I've done that, I fold them all together so that they're ready to be displayed.